Wow, Dad, this airport is enormous. I've never seen a building this big before.
Yes, Toby, it's a very large airport. Many airplanes take off and land here.
Are we really going to fly on a plane today, Dad? It still feels hard to believe.
Yes, Toby, we are. Our vacation is finally beginning today, and it's going to be a wonderful trip.
I already love airports. Everything feels so exciting and full of adventure.
Here, Toby, you can pull your own luggage.
That's what real travelers do. Look, Mom, I'm pulling my suitcase all by myself. I really feel like a traveler now. Wow, the doors open automatically when we get close. That is so cool. There are people everywhere. This place is so busy and full of energy. What do all these numbers and letters on the big screen mean?
Those are flight numbers, Toby. They help people find the correct airplane and departure time.
So every airplane has its own number? That's actually really interesting.
Yes, that's right. But first, let's go to the check-in counter and get everything ready.
Okay, Mom.
Welcome to Skyfly Airlines. How can I help your family today? Hi, we're checking in for our flight.
Hello. This is my first time flying, so I'm really excited.
That's wonderful to hear. I'm sure your first flight will be a fun and memorable experience.
Here are our passports and tickets. We're ready to check in.
Thank you. I'll get this processed right away. Thank you very much. I'll check your information and print your boarding passes right away.
So those papers are our boarding passes?
Exactly, Toby. You'll need to keep them safe because you must show them at several points in the airport. Let's put the suitcase on the scale and see how much it weighs.
That machine looks like a giant calculator. I want to see what number appears.
Good news. Your bag is the perfect weight, so there's no problem at all. I'm attaching this tag to your suitcase. It tells the airport system exactly where the bag needs to go.
So the suitcase doesn't really know the airplane, but the machines can read the tag and send it there?
That's right. The machines scan the tag and make sure your suitcase follows the correct route.
Oh no, our suitcase is disappearing on the belt. It feels like it's leaving without us.
Don't worry, Toby. It will travel separately for now, and we'll see it again when we arrive.
Okay, suitcase, have a good trip. I'll see you later at our destination.
All right, now it's time for the next step. We need to go through security.
Why are those machines blinking and making so many little sounds?
Those are security machines. They check bags and passengers to make sure everything is safe.
Please place all of your bags and personal items in the trays before you walk through.
Okay, I'm putting my backpack here, just like you said.
Remember, Toby, anything made of metal should go in the tray too.
This scanner looks like a tunnel from a science fiction movie. Oh no, it beeped! Did I do something wrong?
No need to worry. It only beeped because you're still wearing your belt.
Oops, I completely forgot about my belt. I was too busy looking at everything else.
That's all right. Now you can walk through again.
Look, Mom, those airplanes are huge. They look even bigger up close.
They really do, don't they? Soon we'll be sitting inside one of them.
Wow, I can't wait. I really hope I can sit by the window because I want to see everything.
Our gate is number 12, so we need to head in that direction.
Gate 12 is this way. I can read the sign for us. This terminal feels like a small city. There are so many shops, people, and signs everywhere. I can smell pizza from somewhere, and now I'm starting to feel hungry.
Maybe we should wait until after boarding before we eat something.
Can we look inside that souvenir shop for just a minute?
All right, but only for a quick look. We still need to be near our gate.
This toy airplane looks so cool. I really like the design and the colors.
It does look nice, but it's a little more expensive than I expected.
That's okay. Maybe I can get one another time instead.
That was a very responsible decision, Toby. I'm proud of you for understanding.
Thanks, Dad. Look, Dad, a real pilot just walked by. He looks so confident in that uniform.
Hello there, young traveler. Are you excited about your flight today?
Hello, Captain Leo. Yes, I'm extremely excited because this is my very first flight.
That's wonderful. Maybe one day you'll be the one flying the airplane.
Really? That would be so cool. I would love that. I think becoming a pilot would be an amazing job.
That's a great dream, Toby. You should always dream big. Attention passengers. Flight 305 is now preparing for boarding at Gate 12.
All right, that's us.
That's our flight! It's finally time for us to get on the airplane.
Yes, that's correct. Gate 12 is ours, so let's get ready.
Why is everyone standing in a line all of a sudden?
They're starting to board the flight, Toby. They're lining up because boarding is starting, and passengers enter the plane in order.
I really don't want to lose my boarding pass now. It feels very important.
Welcome aboard. Please have your boarding passes ready for scanning. Here you go. Thank you.
This long tunnel leads directly to the airplane. That's so interesting.
Yes, it's called a jet bridge. Your real adventure is beginning right now.
I'm ready to fly. I've been waiting for this moment all day. Wow, this airplane is beautiful inside. It feels much bigger than I imagined.
Welcome aboard. We're very happy to have you with us today.
Hello! I'm really excited because this is my first flight ever.
That's wonderful. Welcome aboard. Our seats are right over here, so let's put our things away and sit down.
I can see the runway from the window. There are so many planes out there.
First, let me help you fasten your seatbelt properly.
There, I did it. Safety always comes first.
Please listen carefully to the safety instructions before takeoff. You're doing a great job, Toby. You're being very responsible.
We're already moving! I didn't expect the plane to start rolling so soon.
This part is called taxiing. The airplane is moving toward the runway before takeoff.
The wings are enormous. They look even bigger from my seat.
Takeoff might feel exciting and a little strange, but it will be fun.
I can hear the engines getting louder now. It sounds so powerful. We're going so fast now! This is incredible! We're in the air! We're actually flying above the ground! Everything below us looks so tiny from up here.
Welcome to the sky, Toby. This is what flying feels like.
This is the best day ever. I never want this moment to end. Flying is amazing. I understand now why so many people love traveling by plane.
Clouds look so beautiful from up here. They seem soft and peaceful.
Now that we're in the air, I think it's the perfect time for some airplane snacks.
Cookies in the sky somehow taste even better than cookies on the ground.
So, Toby, how are you enjoying your very first flight so far?
It is incredible. I feel excited, happy, and a little amazed all at the same time.
He absolutely loves it. He hasn't stopped smiling since we boarded.
I think we may have a future pilot sitting with us today.
The world looks magical from up here, almost like a dream. We're above the clouds now. I never imagined it would look this beautiful. This adventure is only beginning, and I already know I'll remember it forever.
That's true. And tomorrow we'll have even more fun together.
You've done a great job today, Toby. You were a brave and responsible traveler.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. I really tried my best today. I feel so happy and calm sitting here in the sky with both of you.
Vacation truly begins now, and I'm so glad we're sharing it together.
The sky feels endless, like it goes on forever.
This might be our best family trip yet.
I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. Airports really are amazing places. They feel like the beginning of something wonderful.